Welcome back to my video, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. By the title of this video, you guys already know it's gonna be a sad one. No, I am not selling this car. It's just that this car is gonna be put away for a few months. Before I get into that, I am gonna swap these wheels back on. I feel like I am swapping these wheels back and forth every video, but hey, if I was gonna put this car away for a few months, I'd rather have it sit on these nicer wheels than those burnout slash donut wheels, I guess. Those are just my spare wheels that I used in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, I used those wheels to test out the new sway bar that I installed on this Mustang, and the car feels great. I gave a lot better explanation of how the car feels before and after putting on that sway bar. This car definitely missed these wheels because god damn, these wheels look so good. Fitment looks a lot better with these two. I mean, I get it, it is 305s, which is kind of too aggressive for this car, but these wheels and tires will come in use once I take this car to the drag strip. And believe it or not, these actually weigh a lot less than those. Okay, as I promised you guys, I am gonna go wash this car. It's kind of embarrassing how dirty I left this car, but I never got the chance to drive this car. So we'll have to put the key in there just to start it up because the batteries are low. And that's how it starts up. It's already extremely hot. It's closing down 100 degrees. It's high 90s this time of the day, which is midday, but eventually in the evening it's close or over 100 degrees, which is pretty hot. 2 miles to go. I don't think I'm gonna make it to the E85 station, so I'm gonna have to just stop at this local Chevron and just put in 91, and hopefully with 91 I can make it to the E85 station. You know those memes where somebody puts like $5 in gas and then people make fun of them? I think that's gonna be me today. I couldn't get even 1 gallon with $5, so I had to put $6. Before me driving off, I have to convert this car back onto 91, press this, and once it's on the 1, there we go, that's 91 map. Back to the freeway we go. Just got E85, time to put 91 now just because I want E30 mix. Okay, after putting on 91, we are finally gonna switch back to E30. Long awaited car wash, and yes, it is touchless. Before you guys go off of me, jeez, let's see, with the sun the color definitely shines and it looks a lot better. Holy crap, I can sometimes forget how nice this color is. I'm actually gonna miss driving this car. It's kind of getting emotional now. I can feel the tears coming out. Don't worry guys, this car is gonna be back better than ever. I'll explain later in this video, so stay tuned. Too fast in the neighborhood. Okay, first and foremost, I think I owe you guys an explanation why I'm about to put this car on retirement. First reason is pretty obvious. I mentioned it earlier on this video that it is really hot and these turbo cars suffer due to that temperature. Yes, it's still drivable, but it doesn't put the power down completely. The turbo doesn't really like hot air and it decreases the power than what the car originally makes. Temperatures that get to like 105, 110 really kind of does make a difference on how the car feels. It's not like I'm saying a goodbye forever. It's just I'm waiting for the temperatures just to cool down a little and come back down to the 90s, the 80s, the 70s, even the 60s. That would be perfect for a car like this. And as I said before, I initially planned on taking this car to the drag strip. It's not gonna matter as much right now just because the power is already down, so I'm definitely gonna lose on a lot of time. And yes, I am still curious to see what time this car will actually go in a quarter mile. I believe it's in the low 11s, but when I do take this car on the drag strip this fall, we will know what it actually runs. Okay, my second biggest reason why I'm actually putting this car away for a little short time is because I have another car, which is the RSX Type S, and that car is being neglected and it hasn't been built the way I want it. Yes, I can build this car along with the RSX, but the way I function is a little weird. When I go into a car and I start getting invested in a car, I tend to go all out until I get the result that I desire. I don't know if that makes sense. Hopefully you guys get what I'm trying to say. But since this car has a few mods and it looks decently good, my RSX is the car that's suffering because it still looks stock. It still has a stock motor, still stock everything, and I kind of want to build it to go fast. I want to devote that time and the dedication that I put on this car to the RS6. I feel like the RS6 deserves it. And it's probably like the best time for me to work on the RS6 because I can use the excuse for weather to not work on this car while I can work on my NA full banger. Okay, it's not like I'm ever gonna sell this car or I'm like putting it away for like a whole year or something. And once the summer is over, I have huge plans for this car. You have no idea. I have like a whole list on my phone too, all the mods that I want to do and change up on this. I want to make this car into a 10-second car and make over 500 horsepower to the wheels. That's one of my goals for this year. And for that, you guys have to just be patient and just stay tuned. Also, I just went online and got myself like a basic car cover so I can just protect the car when it's gonna sit here. Even though it's gonna be inside the garage, you know what? Let's just put it on. Well, I'm not sure if this is the back or the front. The cover actually came out really good. I didn't expect it to fit this well just because it has this wing on it, and I don't know, the car's just wide. And on this side, I don't think I'm gonna put those in and strap them on. I'll probably just tuck it back in just because I'm not gonna keep this car under this cover for a long time. It's probably like a month or two until it'll be back out and on the streets again. Okay, like I said, this car has been sitting ever since I got the rear sway bar for the Mustang, and I started installing that, which is probably about 2-3 weeks ago, and it's already extremely dirty. But let's just see if this car starts up. Come on. Oh, there we go. A common trait in all my cars is that none of my cars have gas. A little bit of gas, and now I need some air because my front left tire is leaking. So I don't know why, but I'm gonna put some air in there, make the PSI go up again, and I might replace the tire pretty soon. Also, this car needs a wash desperately, so I think I'm pretty much just washing cars this entire goddamn video. I just came out of the car wash and I have a check engine light. What the fuck? Well, you turned off the car. Let's turn it back on to see if it comes back on again. Yeah, now I'm kind of concerned. I don't want to push the car too much just because the check engine light's on, but the car is still very fun to drive.